Hello. On this episode, we'll be taking you to a special place that gave me a lot of good memories and one very frightening experience. What is so frightening in a restaurant? It's the heat they give you in their food, and this one is very well known for it. If you like mouth-watering food, subscribe, tick the bell, select all, like, share, and come join us on this spectacular meal. The weird thing is, NAHM is the second branch of Thai Michelin star restaurant which has originated from London by an Australian-born chef, David Thompson, which he is not working here anymore but still maintains the Michelin star. We're here to find out if the food has changed for the better or for the worse. Come join us! We start with an amuse-bouche of khanom buang, the salty version. The restaurant offers both a la carte and set menus. We went for the largest set, the Heritage, which offers many varieties of canapes, appetizers, main course, and desserts. Starting with canapes, po son glin, rice cracker topped with a lot of blue crab, pickled garlic, peanuts, and coriander. Miang nopagao, betel leaves topped with river prawn, chicken, green mango, pomelo, and sweet and savory sauce. Many times when we were here previously, what we remember is things can get really hot. So far, it hasn't happened yet. Maybe this one, yam pak thawai, or this one, ngop thale. You'll never find ngop thale in any other restaurants, but it's very similar to hao mok, which is a solid form of curry filled with seafood. Blue crabs, prawn, red grouper, very luscious flavors of seafood and curry. For yam pak thawai, it's a very rare fruit and vegetable salad. There are fruit salads in other restaurants, but this is very unique. It's like they bring all the local fruits and vegetables and combine it with fish sauce, tamarind juice, coconut sugar, topped with sesame seeds and roasted coconuts, which is very refreshing. We can't have enough of this. For the main course, it's served with two types of rice: white young jasmine rice from Surin province and the more rustic khao kiao on from Suphanburi. The beautiful green tint tells you that it's a very young rice. For the main course, we start with tom yam gung, but it's not the normal one you'll get. And this namprik kapi pra pik thai on. The tom yam river prawn here is more like a curry. It's meant to be had with rice, the rustic khao kong rice and the smooth white rice, which gives a different experience when you have it with the main courses. One sip of this soup, you know right away it's not the normal tom yam. Take away all the sweetness with intense flavors of herbs and spices. This looks like a harmless dish, but it's one of the most hottest dish I've ever had so far. Kapi pla pik thai on. It's like a dip with fresh vegetables. And it's no surprise the chef uses so much peppercorn and chili, so the hot and spiciness comes from these two ingredients that really lingers. It's a special dish with many ingredients that will bring us memories how hot it is. Be sure to subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. It's fresh, umami, and most of all, it's really hot. Now, if you have this at the restaurant, you will not be able to ask for mercy to have it less hot. You would have to completely change the menu. The restaurant comes prepared in case the hotness is unbearable. They have this: rose apple and palm sugar, which really relieves the sting of hotness in your mouth right away. There are 3 more dishes from the main course and 1 more from the a la carte menu. นื้อผัดพิโรธ angry beef, แกงปูใบชะพลู blue crab yellow curry with betel leaves, ผัดผักกูดไฟแดง stir-fried fiddlehead ferns. These young ferns are snappy and sweet, a perfect combination from the hot wok fried pan, the soybean sauce, and the heat from the chili. There's one dish we had to try from the a la carte menu, not because it's rare, but because it's such a simple dish and we want to know how the chef elevates this dish. แกงป่าหมูสมุนไพรใส่ข้าวคั่ว Pork neck jungle curry with toasted rice. Starting with pork neck, chili paste, lard, peppercorn, green chili, holy basil buds. Pound together until fine. Bring heat to the chili, pork. Add fish sauce until the pork is cooked. Add water and add fresh herb paste. More vegetables and fresh herbs. Simmer until done, then plate. The key is the curry paste where they combine toasted crushed rice to it, which makes the curry thickens and give it a nice glaze. And the aroma of toasted crushed rice makes it very appealing. And that's how you elevate a simple dish to a masterpiece. เนื้อพิโรธ or angry beef is another simple dish that is elevated by high-quality ingredients. Wagyu beef, young coconut shoots, stir-fried in a very intense curry paste. And you have to wonder why it's so spicy. Maybe the chef is angry with you? But it's so good, maybe it's the way it should be. The last main course is one of my favorite, the blue crab yellow curry. It's a luxury to have this much crab meat with a very intense yellow southern Thai curry. There is still a lot of heat, but not as much as previous dishes, and with the coconut milk, it mellows it down. There's nothing more better than sweet crab curry on rice. Pre-dessert is a watermelon sorbet with fresh ginger. The chef is still angry at us for having that ginger when we thought the sorbet will relieve us from the hotness of the previous main dishes. Luckily, there is no more hidden spices in the actual dessert. A beautiful display of desserts made out of coconuts and pandan. This is maprao, life cycle of coconut. 4 types of Thai sweet using coconut as the major ingredient. Coconut juice jelly, coconut ice cream, ขนมใส่ไส้ and ขนมเหนียว The first 2 are very simple and you can imagine what it's like. The third and fourth is more complex and we're going to show you what it's like. This is coconut custard inside rice ball filled with sweet shredded coconuts. A combination of texture, salted coconut and sweet filling. ขนมเหนียว which means sticky snack. A combination of texture, sticky rice, shredded coconut, coconut sugar, and rice cracker. Second dessert is textures and flavors of pandan. Shaved ice coconut milk with pandan rice ball. ขนมมัน coconut custard and sticky pandan jam. ดอกจอกใบเตย This is a very elegant dessert. To fry rice flour to form this shape is a craft on its own. Thin, crispy, with the aroma of pandan. We end the meal with another sweet bite, ขนมเบื้อง the sweet version. Remember at the beginning we had the salty version? These small details are what makes it memorable, and part of what makes them earn the Michelin star. If you like this video, please make sure you like, subscribe, tick the bell, select all. We'll have more videos like this coming out regularly.